Good afternoon all. Good afternoon parents. Okay, see, in my previous video we have learned like two lines, right? We have learned sleeping line and standing line, right? We have learned sleeping line and standing line. So sleeping and standing line means which subject? English subject. Which subject? English subject. We have already learned sleeping line and standing line in my previous video. So today I am going to start a new line. We are going to learn slanting line. Okay, see, I have decorated this one very nicely, so you need to also decorate your notebook with colorful. So right now I don't have color, I have only black color, but you have so many colors, so you can put color here. Okay, you can put green color over here, you can put white, cloud is white, and you can decorate this one. Okay, so now today I'm going to teach you a slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. Okay, in my previous video you have learned standing line and sleeping line. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a slanting line. Okay, I'm going to help you how to make a slanting line. See, you just nothing, you don't have to do nothing. Is make a dot and make one more dot and join that dot. This is called slanting line. See, we are learning one more new line so that you can make one more new letter. See, with the help of the sleeping line and sleeping line and standing line, we have made letter E and H, right? But now we are learning new line. Which one is? Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. How to make a slanting line? See, one more. Make a dot. Make a dot and make a slanting line. See, don't be confused. Okay, standing line dot should be straight. This is standing line. Okay, this is standing line. But this is slanting line. See, don't make dot straight and straight. See, this is standing line and this is slanting line. Don't be confused. Okay, this is which line is this? This is slanting line and this one is standing line. See, whenever you are making a standing line and slanting line, you need to make a dot. See, when you are making standing line, your dot should be straight. See, standing line, right? But when you are making slanting line, today we are learning about slanting line. So when you are making slanting line, your dot should be here. Here, your dot should be here. No, your dot should be here. So make a slanting line. This is called slanting line. Don't be confused. Okay, standing and slanting. This is standing line and this is slanting line. The standing line dot should be this one. Okay, and slanting line one here and one here. Okay, see, this is called standing line and this is slanting line. So today we are going to learn slanting line, how to make a slanting line. Okay, how to make a slanting line. See, you have to join this dot. Okay, and you have to decorate the dot. Okay, see, this is slanting line. Okay, first I will teach you how to make a slanting line. See, make a dot, make one more dot and make a slanting line. See, in my previous video we have learned only sleeping line and standing line, but today we are learning slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. We are joining one more new line, right? Which line is this? This is which line? This is standing line. This is Now see, we'll make a slanting line, and do you know what is this? These are cloud. What is this? This is cloud, and it's now which season is going on? Rainy season. Which season is going on? Rainy season. So I have made rain. Okay, so you have to join this dot and make a slanting line. Which line we are going to make now? Slanting line. See, these all are raindrops. Okay, these all are raindrops. See, this is cloud, this is tree, this is house, and this is flower. Now you will complete this picture by joining the dot and making a slanting line. Okay, next let's make a slanting line. See, slanting line, slanting line, make a slanting line, make a slanting line. This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Now one more, make your slanting line. This is 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 slanting line. And this is slanting line. Now see, your picture is complete. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. Okay, now see here. This one complete. We have learned which line? Slanting line. Okay, now slowly we'll do more revision of slanting line. Okay, this is just a oral part to introduction new line. Okay, this is a which line? Slanting line. See, I have decorated the picture. You can also decorate the picture and make a note, make in your notebook, and you need to put color over here. Okay. Now see here. Follow the letters. You will follow the letters to reach here. Okay. See how to follow the letters. See, you have to hold your pencil. Follow the letters to reach here. Okay. To reach here. Okay. See how to follow. See, like this you will follow the letter. Ting 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 ting. You will. This is one worksheet for you. See, ting 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 ting. Yay! You have reached the destiny. See, letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, and letter E. Now complete these two. You have to note down in your notebook. Okay, you have to note down in your notebook. Okay. Now again, I'm going to teach you how to make a slanting line, which you have to write in your notebook just for practice. Okay. See. You have to practice. Okay, I'm going to make a slanting line. See, now let's make a slanting line. Okay, make a dot here and make one more dot here. Okay, and make a dot here, make a dot here, make a dot here, and make a dot here. Okay, let's make a slanting line. Okay, let's make a slanting slanting line. See, dot, dot. You have to join the dot. This is, which line is this? Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Okay. Now next. Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. We are learning about slanting line. Okay. Now see how to make again slanting line. Slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Now make a dot. Make a dot. Okay. See how to make. This is slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Now make a dot. Make a dot. Now make a slanting line. This is, which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. See, which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. We are learning about slanting line. Okay. Now see, make a dot. Make a dot. Make a slanting line. Which line is this? This is 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 slanting line. So this one and this one also you have to note down. Practice. Okay. Make a slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. So this one practice in your notebook. Okay. See, see till now we have learned how many lines? 3 lines. We have learned 3 different lines. Okay. How many lines we have learned till now? 3 lines. Number 1 is, we have learned sleeping line. Number 1 is, we have learned sleeping line. Right? We have learned 3 lines now. Number 1 we have learned sleeping line. And number 2 we have learned standing line. Yes, which line is this? Standing line. And number 3, today we have learned which line? Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. So today which line we have learned? Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Okay. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is sleeping line. Which line is this? This is sleeping line. And which line is this? This is standing line. Slowly we are learning about line. We have to learn, we'll be learning more line. Standing line, sleeping line, curve, mountain pattern, half curve. There are so many lines. We'll be learning slowly, and we'll be learning how to write letter also. Okay. Before writing a letter, first we need to clear about the concept of line. Then only you will start writing letter. See, we have cleared the concept of sleeping and standing, right? I think you know now, no? Yes, right? You know the sleeping line and standing line, right? So now with the help of these two lines, you have learned two letters, right? We have learned two letters. One, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is letter E. See, with the help of sleeping line and standing line, we have made letter E. Now again, with this sleeping line and standing line, we have learned one more letter. Standing line, and sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is letter S. See, always be clear about the concept of line first. Then only you will start writing letter. Still you have to learn. Still we will be learning more about the line concept. There are so many line concept. Half curve, sleeping line, standing line, mountain pattern. There are so many lines. Okay. So we'll be learning slowly. See, today we have already learned sleeping line and standing line. So with the help of these two lines, we have made E and H. Now today we have learned slanting line. Now with the help of slanting line, you know what we can make? We can make letter A. See, slanting line, and middle sleeping line. See, this is letter A. With the help of this slanting line, we will be learning letter A. Okay, this is just an example. Okay. So today, which line you have learned? We have learned slanting line. And which one is slanting line? This one is slanting line? No, ma'am. This one is slanting line? No, ma'am. This one is slanting line? Yes. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. See, which line is this? Slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Okay. Okay. Now you have to note down this one in your notebook. Okay, English notebook. Okay. Now your work is complete. Now you might be feeling bored, right? All the time studying. Even I am also bored. So I told you to dance. Play the music. Dance in bum bum bole, masti mein dole. Okay, you can dance in this song. Very interesting. One day I am going to teach you this dance. Okay. So till then you just play the song. You just play the music. You just play the rhymes and dance and show me the video. Okay. You will send me the video of your dance. Okay. Sometimes you need to relax your body and dance. Okay. Just search rhymes, song, play the music and dance. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you one rhymes. Okay. I'm going to teach you one rhymes. Do you know which rhymes? Wow. What is this? What is this? This is teddy bear. What is this? This is teddy bear. Teddy bear, you know teddy bear is also talking. Who I am teddy bear. Today I am going to sing a rhymes for you. Okay, clap your hands. See? Hi, hello little kids. I am going to teach you one rhyme. See? Teddy bear is talking, right? So today we are going to do our rhymes with the help of teddy bear. Okay, we will be we are going to do teddy bear's rams. Okay, I hope you have a big teddy bear at home. So carry a teddy bear and let's do a rams. Okay, see, teddy bear, turn around, teddy bear, turn around, teddy bear, touch the ground, teddy bear, polish your shoes, teddy bear, go to school. Okay, this is your teddy bear. So practice these rhymes. Okay, which rhymes? Teddy bear. Okay, again now repeat after me. Teddy bear, turn around, teddy bear, touch the ground, teddy bear, go to school, teddy bear, off to school. And you have to polish your shoes also. Okay, you have to polish your shoes also. So practice this teddy bear rhymes. Okay, take one teddy bear also. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.